So we are on to adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Have some paper out. You're going to need to take notes. We're doing 6 problems today. So the first one here, just like when we added fractions, you want to line them up vertically. It makes it easier when you're finding your common denominators and changing the fractions. The first problem here looks like that. So again, the first thing you want to do is find a common denominator, which most of you can just look at this and know that it's going to be 9. Over here, I need to multiply this by 3, do the same on the top, and I get a 6. You don't need to rewrite this fraction right here over again. If you want to, you can, just so you have it all lined up. Oops, I don't want that. So if you wanted to line it up like that, you could. You don't have to, though. So you're adding, so you want to add the numerators again, just like we did before. We get 11 ninths. And then probably the most common mistake kids do is they forget to come back and add these whole numbers up. So don't forget to do that. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Can definitely not leave my answer like this because this is an improper fraction. So I first change this into 1 and 2 ninths. But now you need to add that 1 and 2 ninths onto the 4. So 4 plus 1 and 2 ninths, my final answer is 5 and 2 ninths. 2 ninths is lowest term, so you're good. But again, the most common mistake is kids do not switch this into a mixed number and then add it on to the whole number. Okay, let's try this one. If you want to try and do it by yourself without me, go ahead and pause the video, finish it, and then you can check in to see if you're doing it right. So first thing we want to do is find a common denominator. If you need to do the factor tower over here to find it, that's fine. If you just know it in your head, that's even better. So my least common multiple, when you multiply them all, is 12. Sorry, I was going to say 24. So 4 times 3, 3 times 3 up here, I get 9. Down here. Some of you are probably waiting around for me right now to be done. Alright, so next thing, you want to add your numerators. 9 plus 10, I get 19. Same denominator. Don't forget to add the whole numbers. Now again, you have an improper fraction right here. So you need to change this to equal 1 and 12 goes into 19 once. How many is left over? You should have said 7. So 1 and 7 twelfths. So if you add the 15 plus the 1 and 7 twelfths, our final answer should be 16 and 7 twelfths. Again, I'm adding the whole number to the mixed number here. So this is our final answer. It is in simplest form.